We don't wanna tell you how it's gotta be. Never gotta be. Yeah. Living is the only way. I really wanna see. Good life. Got to see. You gotta live and love. I wanna be the one. You gotta live and love. Tell you how it's gotta be. Before your bridge is burned. Living is the only way. Get on your. You gotta live and love. I really want.
Hey guys, it's a beautiful afternoon. Green grass, lots of rain from this morning, and it's just make the place just beautiful. You can imagine if all the sun was shining. And the cat is underneath that right there. The cat is, but you're not gonna be able to see the cat. Probably I can go up there. You're not gonna see him anyhow. He's gone behind there, so he having some outdoor. Oh, there he is now. See him there? He's right there playing. See him there? Give him some outdoor time. The neighbors. Come back to the kitty cat. Kitty, kitty cat. Kitty, kitty. Mm. Here he comes. Nice kitty cat. Meow. 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 Cutting grass. Notice that he chew some grass sometime. I think it's a good medicine for them anyhow still. You know? She's putting on weight as well too. Yeah, maga. Yeah, maga hell. Hey. Putting on weight. Look more. You look a lot bigger than you still too.
How are you doing?
Oh God.
What's his name anyway?
What Bell say? Lickish or Luckish?
Lucky?
Lucky. Yeah, and he getting very friendly now too, right? And I notice he play rough. He plays rough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The other cat does the same thing to me.
Oh yeah?
Victoria loves it when he kicks me with his back feet.
Oh.
Lucky.
Lucky. Yeah. See? And yeah. He's trying to climb up inside here. Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's not
Yeah.
a good thing to learn.
Yeah, definitely, because you have to be careful of how.
You start up the car and you got Mick's cat.
Oh my goodness, so weird. He disappeared in the engine room. He come back. He went up. He went up. That's him. He's trying to maybe go up there again. He went up into the engine room to pop the hood open to see where he is. But by the time I pop it open, see him there? Well, he didn't went up there by himself. I just put him up there. I just put him up there. Let him survey the engine room. You know? I think get friendly with everything. And knows everything. Checking out everything inside, eh? Engine dirty though. Yeah, you can't go up there. Trying to find a way to get out. Alright, come. 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 Come, 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 come. 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 You can. Yes, you can. All right, come. 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 Kitty. Come. 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 Kitty, kitty, kitty. Come. Okay, so he didn't too impressed with it inside the engine room of the truck. So take him out. I guess he feel more comfortable now because he didn't have much traction inside there or anything to grip onto, I guess, you know. So he didn't like it too well. My mother always loved cats. She always have a cat. She did have a cat, a big one too. White and white and gray. I think it was white and gray, but 3 different colors was on the cat. But oh, she did love the cat so much. The cat, everything that, you know. What are you going to do now? What are you doing now? What are you up to? Yes, yeah, here you go. Up. Can try it. Seen it? I ain't got myself here. God. See him there and find himself inside there by himself from where I show you. So he find comfort. Yeah. Alright, so we can close it back down now. Okay. Alrighty. He's inside there. Where is he? There he is. Meow. 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 Kitty cat. He's coming down. There you go. Come. Come. Kitty. Kitty. Come. Come here. Up here. Hold on. All right. first time up there. Okay guys, if you like my cat video, give me a thumbs up and share and like and comment. First time he's that far off. See if he will be able to get down by himself. He's looking on the other side to see. How is it? Look. Turn around and try to figure out if you can come down on the other side. This way. Come. 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 Kitty, kitty. Luckish. Luckish. Luckish.